I can't believe this just happened. Guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am actually at an emergency vet. One of my dogs, family dogs, got hit. So sad thing to start off this morning. But I'm actually on my way to go get me some protein drink. Other than that, I did order what I had ordered, and I have to send back. It really sucks. Is I ordered like a catch can, oil catch can for this car, 370, and it did not come with. When I kept looking it up, I guess I didn't read it well, clearly, and it didn't have any. It said no filter, no filter came with it or whatever. It didn't have a filter inside, so I was like, oh, this sucks. I gotta send this back. I'm debating if I want to go ahead and just, but then again, I'm going to go ahead and just send it back and do something different. I'm pretty sure this car really needs an oil catch can. And also, what really sucked is the other night when I got off of work, I dropped my phone and cracked the whole screen. It really sucks. I'm gotta deal with the cracked phone, but I did put another one on order, so I should have a new phone or just coming up soon. Man, it really sucks. It really does. But right now, I am letting my car warm up because I've been sitting out here for a while and the oil's cool, so that's like sucked. Got up this morning. The first thing I heard is what happened. They're all at the bed. Oh my goodness. Finally got my little muscle milk. Good stuff. And my little coconut water. I love this stuff. It's good. Man.
Whatever made you think I could go on living this What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
What
are you doing?
I'm not doing anything. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Remember, leave a comment below. And again, thanks for watching, guys.